in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up multiple monitors on your Dell laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. If you have a desktop, laptop, or tablet, the instructions should be pretty much the same. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would do is recommend connecting everything physically, so make sure everything's properly hooked up. And then once you've done that, hopefully it should automatically detect if there's any installation media that came in the form of a flash drive or a DVD. I'd recommend inserting that and then running it as well and going through those steps. However, if you just want to use the built-in Windows tools, you can select the Windows icon or start button, basically, and search for settings. Best result, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, select Display. And then scrolling down, select where it says multiple displays, choose the presentation mode for your displays, click on that, select detect to hopefully detect or recognize the other monitor being connected. You can also change additional monitor preference settings here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.